Dear students, we can see special cases of function. What are the special cases of function? So first we can find constant function. Constant function. So what is the constant function? So what does it means? So here f from the function what type will be means f from a to b. F from a to b. So function from a to b. So what does that means? F of x equal to c constant. F of x equal to c. F of x equal to c means so every preimage have same image. Every preimage have same image. Constant function means every preimage have same image. Same image will be. So f of x equal to c constant. So we can find according to arrow diagram. So for example, in this A set, in this we can consider B set. What is the A set? What is the B set? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So here A, B, C there. A, B, C. So 1 is a relation of B, 2 is a relation of B, 3 is a relation of B, 4 is a relation of B. All preimage have same image. All preimage have same image. That type that means we can say constant function. Constant function f of x equal to c. So f from a to b. F from a to b. All preimage have same image. That type that means we can say constant function. Constant function. So next you can find identity function. What is the identity function? What is the identity function? So identity function, it is denoted by I of A. I of A. It is denoted by I of A. So in this function, what type will be means f from A to A. F from A to A means preimage and image equally there. Same type will be. Preimage and image same type will be. So f of x equal to x. Preimage and image equally will be. Equally same elements. What are in preimage and what are image. So these two also same type elements there. So same type elements relationally also there. So what type will be? So f from what is the B set? What is the A set? What is the B set? F from A to E. No. So F from A to A. So what type will be? What is the A set means? Here we can consider x, y is z means here also x, y is z. So x is a relation of x, y is a relation of y, z is a relation of z. So f from A to B not here A to A. So y here given A to A. So A set and B set equally there. A to A. A set only B set. B set only A set. Okay. So f from A to A. F from A to A. So B set also A type will be. So every preimage and image also equal elements. Same elements there means that we can say identity function f of x equal to x. So next we can see real valued function. Real valued function. What is the real valued function? So real valued function f from A to B. F from A to B. F from A to B. So f of A is a subset of R. That means f of A is a subset of R means what is the range? So range is a subset of f of A means range. So range is a subset of R. Range is a subset of R. Range of f is a subset of R. That means real valued function. So R means real value, real number. No, real number. Okay. So range is a subset of real number. Range is a subset of real number. That means real valued function. F of A is a subset of R. That means real valued function. So what are the functions? Special cases of the constant function. And the constant function means all pre-image have same image. F of x equal to C. So f from A to B. And the function means I of A. It is denoted by I of A. So f from A to A. So because f by A to A, so pre-image and image same elements will be. So there is a relation of same elements. So f of x equal to x. Real valued function means f from A to B. So range is a subset of real number. Range is a subset of real number. So f of A is a subset of R. So in this way we can find special cases of functions.